how to access the working tools that exist from the platform. First, the only thing you need to access the working tools is to have created a profile on the platform. Then when you log in your profile and you go to the top right corner, you see these 4 icons that are actually the access to our 4 main working tools. This is the Rocket Chat, that is a team chat software. This is ownCloud, that is a self-hosted file synchronizer and a sharing platform. This is GitLab, that will serve you to upload your code. It's a web-based Git repository manager. And this is the Wiki, that is a web app on which users can collaboratively modify content and structure it directly from a web browser. So these are the 4 main working tools that we use in Epidemium. Notice that when you enter them through these 4 icons, you will be redirected to the main page of these tools. Why do I say this? Because if instead you go to the tab Projects and then you go to the page of your project, you will see that when you create a project in the platform, there's a Rocket Chat channel, a Git repository, an ownCloud page, and a Wiki page that are automatically created. So you can access actually the channel of your project, your Wiki, your Drive, and your GitLab directly from the page of your project. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to send it to contact@epidemium.cc.